Ready to turn any backyard, tailgate, or barbecue into a full-blown party? Meet the JBL PartyBox 520, the 400-watt light-blasting beast that's making portable speakers look weak. But is it worth the hype and price? Stick around as we test its power, portability, sound, and app features to deliver the ultimate verdict for partygoers in the USA. JBL PartyBox 520 Product Overview. The JBL PartyBox 520 is a high-powered portable party speaker unveiled in 2025 by JBL, the audio giant behind iconic consumer sound systems. Positioned between the smaller PartyBox Stage 320 and the massive PartyBox 710, the 520 targets enthusiasts, backyard hosts, tailgaters, and semi-pro DJs who want maximum volume, gumping bass, and show-stopping visuals, all on wheels. Sporting a whopping 400-watt output, swappable battery, flashy light show, and rugged build with IPX4 splash resistance, it's built to crank your party energy up a notch. It brings serious gear to those who prioritize power, connectivity, and mood-setting atmosphere. JBL PartyBox 520 Performance. In real-world tests, the PartyBox 520 delivers. With a solid 400-watt output, it blasts chest-thumping low-end on hip-hop tracks like Beastie Boys' Brass Monkey and nails punchy guitar kicks in AC/DC's You Shook Me All Night Long. The 7-band EQ in the PartyBox app lets you fine-tune bass, mids, and treble. Boosting low frequencies bring out depth while keeping vocals and highs crystal clear. Reviewer Dave Carr noted the bass hits you in the chest indoors while vocals stay crisp. No harshness even in high volume. On battery life, JBL claims up to 15 hours on a full charge, but expect closer to that if you're moderate with volume. Swappable batteries or AC power offer extended sessions. So whether you're hosting a day-long pool party, late-night barbecue, or tailgate event, it performs consistently with gutsy, distortion-free output. Features and tech. 400-watt plus AI Sound Boost delivers powerful, distortion-free audio. The new AI Sound Boost tech analyzes music in real time to optimize clarity and volume. Connectivity galore. Dual XLR/1/4-inch combo inputs for mics, guitars, or DJ gear. USB-C supports charging and lossless audio input. Major upgrade over Stage 320's USB-A only setup. Customized light show. Built-in RGB lighting patterns are customizable via the PartyBox app, perfect mood setter. These features add up to a flexible, future-ready rig whether dialing up solo or syncing multiple units. Design and build. The PartyBox 520 is rugged and imposing, weighing over 56 pounds, roughly 25.5 kilograms, but roller wheels and a telescoping handle help mobility. Its exterior uses tough plastic with a metal grille protecting the drivers and lights. Rated IPX4 for light rain or splashes. The top hosts familiar knobs and buttons for playback, volume, lighting, bass boost, DJ effects, and mic controls. A minor gripe, the rear input cover tends to pop open while rolling, which may compromise that splash resistance over time. Pros: 400 watts of vibrant, distortion-free sound with deep, tactile bass. Modern connectivity, XLR and 1/4-inch inputs and USB-C with audio and charging. Customizable light show and app control across sound and visuals. Swappable battery and wheels make heavy lift manageable. Cons: hefty weight, up to 56 pounds, not truly portable. Pricey, around $800 to $880, Sound Guys plus Amazon Canada. Rear input cover flimsy, could benefit from tighter seals. Final verdict: if you want the loudest, most feature-packed party speaker with modern inputs and visual flair, the JBL PartyBox 520 delivers in spades. It's ideal for backyard entertainers, tailgate hosts, semi-pro DJs, or anyone wanting massive sound plus a customizable light show. The swappable battery, sturdy build, and wheels offer decent usability. Just be ready to half the machine. At around $799 to $889 MSRP, it's an investment, but for those who prioritize power, style, and flexibility, XLR inputs for instruments, or USB-C convenience, it's tough to beat. Yes, it's heavy and not suited for casual moving, but its performance, app integration, and power output will wow crowds and keep the party going.